Hi folks, and welcome to another Fluff and Stuff.
Fluff and Stuff!
And it's the Christmas edition, so Merry Christmas to you all. And I'm going to be taking a few days off to enjoy Christmas with the family. So here's a quick catch up of what's going on at the moment in the workshop. So very soon I'm going to be starting that build with Chad Stanton. I've looked out some materials for that. And the other thing that's going on is the writing slope, which patrons will know all about. And if you want to know more about that and see that in progress, then go over to Patreon and subscribe to that. Another quick thing for Christmas, and I hoped it would be ready by Christmas, but it isn't quite, is a little project I'm doing with my nephew. He's only 7, so it's very basic stuff, just some softwood, and we're going to knock together a little something for his cuddly toys. So I hope you'll enjoy that when that video comes out. Something else I'm going to be doing very soon after Christmas is installing a vise into this 25-pound workbench. Now, I built a little shoulder vise for it before. What I've done with that is I've put that over the back here now, because that's going to be used mainly for when I'm doing dovetailing, not every day. And for everyday use, it's much easier to have a vise that screws quicker, opens and closes quicker. So I've got a quick release vise, which you can see over there, and it's going to be installed on here on the front, and I'll do a video on how I install that. Now, I've never actually installed one of those types of vices before, so it's going to be a learning experience for me, and hopefully I'll discover what to do and what not to do. Otherwise, the last month I put a few videos out. So here's some of the videos that have come out recently. An easy way to control dust hoses and mains leads. Some interesting facts about mango in the World of Wood series. And how I made my impossible bauble. So, hope to see you soon. Watch out for the video and the new series of the Asian inspired nightstand. And I'm still looking for support on Just Giving for that. So if you want a chance of actually winning it and getting some free plans for it, then head over to Just Giving. Otherwise, I'll see you in the new year. Cheerio.